Welcome everybody to billionhosting.com. My name is Herbie and today I am going to show you two things. One, I'm going to show you how to create your new email. If you have hosting with us, that means you want to have your own personal email with your domain name so it looks professional. And then number two, I'm going to show you how to take that email and add it to Gmail so that you can use it on your phone, on your tablet, and your computer at home. Alright, so let's jump right into it. Since you already have an account with us, all you have to do is go in here and log in. Once you click here, it will take you to the login page. You would put your email and your password to log in. And then it's going to take you to the client area, which is your dashboard. This is your Billion Hosting dashboard. And from this dashboard here, you're gonna wanna click on products and services. Click on products and services. It'll take you here, right? Now that you are here, we are going to create our new email address, okay? And it's very easy to do. If you look down here where it says create quick email, what you want to do is put a name here, and then as you can see, the domain is already here, and choose a password and put it in here. Now, one of the most important thing here is to remember what this password is, because you're going to need it later. So I would just copy that in the notepad somewhere so that you have it when you need it, okay? Now, once you do that, you would create email. Boom, email has been created, okay? Now, created successfully. Now, what we want to go here where it says all email accounts. Click here. And it's going to take us to the to see all the emails that have been created, okay? And as you can see, this is the one we just created just a minute ago, okay? And now that the email is created, we want to click on connect devices. Boom. All right, now this have all the information that we need to import our email to Gmail, okay? Now that we're here, we'll take a pause. Let's go to our Gmail account, okay? So go to your Gmail and then sign in. All right, so this is my demo account. This is what I'm going to use to show you guys. This is my Gmail account. And now from here, what you're going to do, if you look on the left, on the right, I'm sorry. If you look on the right here, at the top right, it should say settings. And you click that little icon that says settings, and you would get this little pop-up thing here. And then from here, you want to click see all settings right here. Okay, there you have it. Now that we're here, we want to go to account and import right up here. Accounts and imports. Okay, so this is where we're going to need to get all our information and then add the new email to Gmail, okay? Now, the next step is to go where it says check mail from other accounts. So we're going to do that. We're going to add mail account. And we're going to get this little pop-up here. Okay, here we go. Now, enter email address you would like to add, okay? So this is where our new email address goes, okay? So now we're going to go back to, where is it? We're going to go back to here. And this is our new email. Remember, we created this new email, and it's also our username, right? So we're gonna take that, copy, and go back to Gmail in the little pop-up icon here and put the email address. This is our new email address, okay? We put that here, and we do next. Okay, give it a minute. It's coming. There we go. All right, took you long enough. Okay, now that we're here, we can't click this option, so we're just gonna go with this option, right? A pop 3. So we're gonna click next. Okay, now that we're here, it's asking us for a username, okay? And the username, of course, is this name here. You see it? See how it says username? You would take this username and just copy it here. Now it's asking us for a password. Now, do you remember that password that you created to create the email? That's what you need. Hopefully you copied it and you remember what it is. So we're going to take that password, which I have it saved somewhere. We're going to copy it, put it here. So that's my password, okay? And now it's asking for pop server, okay? The pop server is, as you can see, now we're setting up the incoming email, okay? So that we get the email come to our Gmail account. So the pop server is going to be, the incoming is going to be this one here. So we're going to copy this. And then, as you can see, it was already here. So I don't even have to do anything. I guess it picked it up automatically, okay? And now the port, okay? And we're going to need that port. So the port for incoming emails is 995 because we're using POP3, remember? So we're going to, drop down, find 995 right there. Now, what else does it say? Leave a copy on the server. I suggest not to do that because if you do, it's going to eat up all your space. And this is the same space that you're using for your website. And so since you're going to be using Gmail, if you delete an email from Gmail, you also want to delete it from the server. But it's really up to you. But just know, if you decide to do that, it will eat up all your space, okay? Now, so I'm going to use SSL always to make it secure. And label, right? So that you can tell where the message is coming from. So you can tell when someone emails you from your business email, and that way it separates it from your personal email account, okay? So I'm going to click these two, and then I'm going to say add account. Okay. All right, I'm not going to save that. All right, so now you can retrieve mail from this account, right? So now my incoming email is set up. I'm able to receive mail. My new email will come directly to my Gmail account, okay? Now it's asking me if I want to be able to send messages. Of course, I want to be able to send messages as that email as well. So I'm going to say next. And now it's asking me for my name. So let's just put name. And email address, of course, is the new email that I set up. And treat as an alias, I'm going to take this off because I don't want anybody to know that I'm using Gmail to respond back to them. So I'm going to take that off. But it's really up to you. And I'm going to do next. And I'm going through the same process that we went for incoming email. We're going to do the same process for outgoing emails, okay? So now it's asking me for the server information, okay? And the server, of course, is going to be this one, right? Because remember, this is incoming mail, right? No, I'm sorry, this is outgoing mail. So we'll copy this. And we'll put that here. And then username, which is, your email address. Copy. Put it here. And there goes the password again. So we'll need the password that we created. Copy. Paste. Okay? Now that we have that information here, we're going to look for the port. What port is it for outgoing mail? So port is 465. So we're going to pick 465. Okay? And of course, always we pick SSL. Okay? So it's secure. And add account. And it's doing its magic. So, boom. Okay? Now, last step. Now it's going to send us an email, right? It's going to send us a confirmation email because it needs to be sure that we are the owner of this email here. So it's going to email us a confirmation number, and then we're going to take that confirmation number, put it in here just to verify the account. And that's the last step, right? And that usually takes a minute. So if I go back to my Gmail account, to the inbox, let's see how long does it take to get here. So it might take a little bit. So I'm just, oh, there it is. There it is. Okay, so here it is, the confirmation email. We'll click on that and my confirmation code here. Copy this. Go back. Paste it here and verify my account. And once that's complete, boom. So it's done. It's completed. Now I'm able to send email and receive email from my new business, from my new hosting packages and my new domain using Gmail. And as you can see the email here, right? If I click here, and I'm going to have, so I'm going to have the option to send email using this or use my regular Gmail. So if I was to create new, you can see that I would have an option here. See, there's a drop down and I can pick to send email with this one, or I can send email with my old Gmail account, right? So this is it. This is what it does. So you can send and receive emails with no problem using your Gmail account. And I hope everything worked out. Go back if if for having any issues, please reach out to us. Open a ticket and we'll get on it and we'll try to help you to set it up. But this is it. This is all you would have to do to set it up with Gmail, okay? And I thank you for tuning in. Once again, thank you for working with us. And we are Billion Hosting, and my name is Herbie. So see you next time.